Hello everyone, my name is Indan Pandey. Today we will discuss about mandala art. What are the types of mandala art and what's its correlation with mathematics? And at the end we will see some artworks. This is the presentation for the Art Integrate project. Table of contents. First, introduction, which includes what is mandala art. Second, types of mandalas, which includes teaching mandala, healing mandala and sand mandala. Third, mandala art in Hinduism and Buddhism. Fourth, some artworks. Now we will proceed to the introduction. What is mandala art? Mandala art is a geometric design that holds a great deal of symbolism in Hindu and Buddhist cultures. Mandala art is a Sanskrit word for magic circle. People believe that mandalas represent different aspects of the universe and are used as the instruments of meditation and symbols of prayer, most noticeably in China, Japan and Tibet. Mandala art is very popular like other famous paintings in history. Mandalas are typically produced on paper or cloth and drawn on the surface with threads fashioned in bronze or built in stone. In modern age, mandala is a diagram, chart or geometric pattern that represents the cosmos metaphysically or symbolically. Now, what are the types of mandala? There are numerous types of mandala found in different cultures, but here we will discuss about. First, teaching mandala. It is symbolic and each shape, line and color of teaching mandala represent a different aspect of philosophic or religious system. Teaching mandalas work as colorful mental maps for their creators. Second, healing mandala. Healing mandalas are made for the purpose of meditation and intended to deliver wisdom, evoke feelings of calm, and channel focus and concentration. Third, sand mandala. Buddhist monks use sand mandalas for a long time as a traditional religious element. These indicate designs use various symbols made for various colors sand which represent the fleetingness of human life. What's the importance of mandala art in Hinduism and Buddhism? In Hinduism, a simple basic mandala is also called a yantra, which takes the form of a square with 4 gates holding a circle with a center point. A yantra is similar to mandala, usually yantra is smaller and using a more limited color palette. A yantra may be a 2 or 3 dimensional geometric composition that are used in worship or meditative rituals and may incorporated in mantra into its design. In Buddhism, mandalas have been developed also into sand painting in Vajrayana Buddhism. People believe that when you are entering the mandala and proceeding towards its center, you are guided through the cosmic process of transforming the universe from one of suffering into one of joy and happiness. These are some mandala artworks. First is 2 circle made with mandala design. This is the second image that you can see. We have gathered this information from Paint and Painting, Wikipedia, Google Image Gallery. We have completed the presentation. Now I also made one mandala. Let's proceed to that. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Bye bye.